The full self-driving may be degraded warning in your Tesla is a critical safety mechanism that appears when the FSD system detects a problem that could affect autonomous driving performance. This warning can stem from several types of issues. Sensor malfunctions are the most common, including obstructed or misaligned cameras, failed radar, or ultrasonic sensors around the vehicle. Processing limitations occur when the FSD computer lacks sufficient computational resources, experiences overheating, or has memory management issues that prevent proper operation. Environmental constraints include poor weather affecting sensors, weak GPS signals, and system conflicts from incomplete software updates or incompatible versions. Statistics show that hardware issues account for about 60% of degradation warnings, software problems 30%, and environmental factors 10%. Newer Tesla vehicles with hardware 4.0 show significantly reduced instances of degraded FSD warnings. The improved processing power and sensor redundancy result in a 61% reduction in hardware-related issues compared to older hardware 3.0 systems. Understanding these causes helps Tesla owners identify why the warning appears and take appropriate action to restore full FSD functionality. When your Tesla shows the full self-driving degradation warning, there are systematic steps you can take to resolve the issue. We'll start with simple solutions that work in most cases. The first step is performing a soft reset by holding both steering wheel scroll buttons for 10 seconds. This restarts the FSD system and resolves many temporary glitches. Here you can see the Tesla steering wheel manual showing the exact location of the scroll buttons. This simple reset resolves about 40% of FSD degradation cases. Next, clean all camera lenses thoroughly. Road salt, dirt, ice, and debris can obstruct the cameras and trigger degradation warnings. If the warning persists, perform a complete system reboot by parking safely and restarting the vehicle's computer system. For advanced troubleshooting, Tesla vehicles have multiple sensors and cameras that may need recalibration. This diagram shows the locations of all the sensors around the vehicle. Camera recalibration involves driving 20 to 25 miles on clearly marked highways. This allows the system to automatically recalibrate the camera positions and restore full functionality. For users with technical knowledge, a service mode reset can resolve deeper software conflicts. However, this should only be attempted by experienced users. When simple troubleshooting fails, professional service may be required. This can involve hardware replacement or complete software reflashing. Hardware issues typically involve faulty cameras, sensors, or the FSD computer itself. This chip diagram shows the complexity of the FSD processing unit that may need replacement. The good news is that 85% of FSD degradation cases are resolved within 24 hours using standard troubleshooting methods. 70% of issues are software-related and can be fixed without hardware replacement, while only 30% require professional hardware intervention. By following these systematic troubleshooting steps, most Tesla owners can resolve FSD degradation warnings quickly and get back to enjoying their full self-driving capabilities.